or buccally moved. So what are the components of an quad helix appliance? It consists of four helices, okay? Then it consists of an labial or anterior segment, the posterior segment, and the lateral segment, joined together by the helices. So why is this given? Usually the patient, due to tongue thrusting habit, has a constricted maxilla, right? So as a result, we give this appliance. This appliance is given in case of mouth breathing habit. The patient मुंह open करके ही breathe करता है, which is wrong. So this is called as an oral screen. Let's see what is next. So this first one is a bluegrass appliance, as I told you. So it is made up of consists of a roller made from Teflon or acrylic, that is also fine, and the wire is slipped between 0.045 mm stainless steel. Okay. The second one is a quad helix. Now coming to tongue thrusting habit. What are the various appliances? It's the same thing. So this one becomes a removable appliance, wherein we have a labial bow in the front, Adams behind, and a crib which is made and they have been acrylized together. This one is a fixed tongue crib or a high rake. This is most commonly fabricated. You should be knowing how to fabricate this. So wherein you do banding, okay, and then taking a wire of 0.040 inch stainless steel wire, right, and you solder them. This might look painful, but this is the most effective treatment. इसको बोलते हैं high rake, okay, because it has got rakes, pointed ones, and then you solder it. Okay. This is an oral screen, so wherein it prevents the patient from breathing through mouth and start the normal breathing through nose. I'll just show you once again. तो इस तरह का भी दे सकते हैं. If the patient is on cannot breathe through nose because of adenoids or tonsils या nasal नाक में कुछ problem है, then you cannot give this. You will create few holes so that they can partially breathe through mouth as well as through nose. So once the patient starts to breathe through nose, you will start closing these holes. So ये कैसे बनाता है? One is you make the impression, then you place a layer of wax around all the teeth, okay, occlude करने के बाद, and then you acrylize it with a transparent or a clear acrylic. Okay. इसमें भी modifications होता है wherein you put a ring so that they start closing the upper and the lower lip together. Okay. So these are the appliances. So what are the various appliances you heard? You heard about tongue crib, which can be removable or fixed. It can be in the form of an high rake. Okay. Second is you heard about bluegrass appliance. Okay. Then you make quad helix and a mouth oral screen. Any doubts? And if the patient has got a bruxism wherein there is clenching, ऊपर और नीचे वाले दांत को बहुत घिसते हैं, okay, either at sleep or anything, we make this night guard. Okay. वो टेफलॉन शीट, ओके, थर्मोप्लास्टिक शीट को बायोस्टार मशीन में डाल के भी एक्रिलाइज. तो दिस आर अबाउट लेस देन 1 मिलीमीटर थिकनेस की शीट, ताकि ऊपर और नीचे के दांत ऑक्लूड ना करे, सो दैट दे डोंट स्टार्ट क्लेंचिंग. ओके. So it is called as a night guard, which is very effective. So you should be knowing all these things so that it becomes easier and you earn a lot of money. Right. Last one is a lip bumper. Okay. So wherein same thing, this also can be removable or fixed. And karoge lower. This is in the lower teeth. Okay. To keep the lower lip away if the patient has got a lip biting habit. lower lip biting habit. So wherein हम क्या करेंगे, band the lower first molars, form a wire, we give a small U bends on after the first molar near the second premolar, both the sides, and then extend the wire anteriorly, and then we acrylize the appliance. So इससे क्या होगा, इससे क्या होगा, basically the lower lip won't stick towards the lower teeth and they don't have a lip biting habit. It just keep the lower lip away. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, it is called as a lip bumper. Okay, so which is given in of lip biting habit. Okay. Any doubts? Yes. Yes, please. So shall we end the class now? Any
मैम
doubts?
मैम अगर आप इसकी पीपीटी दे देते तो एक बार हम पढ़ लेते दोबारा।
इसकी
सर का भी
PPT?
लेक्चर, हाँ लास्ट भी लेक्चर जो आपका हुआ उसका भी और इसकी भी
देखते
थोड़ा सा।
देख लेंगे।
हाँ ठीक है, मैंने सर से पूछा था तो सर ने कहा मैम से ही बोलो वो दे देंगे करके।
ओके, देखते हैं, ठीक।
गंदा के सर से, ठीक है थैंक यू।
All right then.
हाँ मैम बाय।
Let's end the meeting. Yeah. Okay.